Hello YouTube, I am robintel.ro and I would like to show you something. Uh, I would like to show you something now while the device still works, it's still operational, it's still functional, whatever. Brother PN 4400, meet YouTube. This is a very old laptop. I will show you more in a second. I'll be back. Okay, we are back. Just for comparison, compared to a modern computer, as you can see, it's roughly about the size of a modern laptop, although not as slim, not as slim as modern computers, and probably 3 or 4 times as thick as modern Apple computers. Okay, let's see it. It has a floppy drive, proprietary technology, about 300 kilobytes. One moment. It has some ports. That's a Centronics printer port, and that's a classic RS-232 serial port. The power port, the on-off switch, and these are for the backlight. Okay, let's see it in action.